Hello, welcome to another video with data analysis with Python, Pandas, and Excel. In today's video, we're going to deal with one of the more common tasks of writing a Pandas data frame to an Excel file. In normal business world, Excel is used universally, and the ability to write data into Excel is critical. And there are many ways we can do this, but in this video, under 5 minutes, we're going to go through a very simple method of getting data from Pandas and Python into Excel in seconds. So in this video, we'll first create a simple data frame using lists. So we've got two lists, marks and subjects. We are using a data frame by using a list of lists using the zip function and then giving the two column names. So when we execute this piece of code, would get this pandas data frame. So in reality, I can actually finish this video right here because pandas functionality of writing to Excel is pretty powerful. So all you need to do is take this data frame you've created and use the toExcel method, and you can look at the pandas documentation here. I'm in pandas.org, and this is the method here. So I'm going to go in a little bit more detail here because there are some useful functions you can use. It could be a long video if I go through everything, but simply put, we can pass a sheet name, and let's do that. I'll just copy straight in. So what I'm doing is data frame to Excel. I'm giving the path to where the file needs to go with the name of the file I need to be named as. This is the full path, and be careful if you use an existing file name, this is going to rewrite that. So be careful with this. And let's say sheet name, we say XYZ. And what else should we use from that? I think probably it's worth also picking up starting rows and columns. So we can use that in here. So starting row, let's say, is 10, and starting column is also 10. Another thing which you could potentially use, is also depending on your setup of your coding environment, you may have to use the engine argument as well. But let's run this and see how this looks. Okay, I've just run it. I'm now going to the location where I have saved the file, which is this is the test file I was referring to. If I open this, and here you can see it's probably I need to move this a little bit for you to see the rows and columns. So it's put the data frame in row 10 and column 10. So hopefully this was a useful video. I'm going to do further videos because in this video we're writing to a new Excel file, but maybe sometimes you want to use or you want to write this to an existing Excel file or multiple Excel files. So we can go through these methods in videos later on this channel. Thank you. Hopefully you find it useful.